Okay, there. Oh yeah. Awesome. He came right on show up at high school at Brown Grand Theater here about 8 years ago. And we had another guy out of Salina. He'd fly out of Greenland. And he was a radio operator. Okay.
What are these seats for, Kevin?
That's for the chief door gunner.
Oh, door gunner. Yeah. Okay, door gunner. You guys go here.
And this is Justin Schmid.
Yeah.
Lewis.
And my Michelle.
And Michelle.
Yeah.
And this is. Does this have a name?
It's Michelle's microjet.
That's Michelle's microjet.
This one does not belong to us.
This is the FLS microjet. We're flying a FLS microjet. It was built by a gentleman who, let me back that up.
I think so.
I helped design the prototype of this aircraft. We've built several of these, and the one that I'm flying today, it's the 7th build we have. We did it for our customers that's out in Yakima, Washington. He's also a farmer, which is really cool because in the area that we're standing right now is a big farming area. So it's a little bit akin to the type of community that we're flying in today.
There's going to be a sponsor lunch, so if you have been invited to that lunch, you know who you are. That will take place at noon. Following that noon sponsor luncheon, we should have...
Hi, Brian.
How's it going?
Good. You ready for today?
I'm ready. I hope everybody's coming out to the show.
Oh, yeah.
Great one.
So maybe closer to 1:15.
And what are you going to be doing today?
That's what I'm here for.
So today I'm going to start off, I get the privilege of circling the jumpers, which is fun. So I'll be making a smoke ring around the jumpers as they come down, and then I'll get to kick off the show. I'll be doing some aerobatics out here right over the runway. And then, to dedicate the runway, we're going to do a ribbon cut. So not just any ribbon cut. It's not going to be guys out there with a big pair of scissors. We've got 60 feet of ribbon strung 20 feet in the air, and I'm going to cut it, not upright, but I'll cut it inverted. Just got to make things interesting.
So you're going to cut the ribbon for the new runway flying upside down.
I am. Yeah, what better way to dedicate a runway?
And 20 feet off the ground.
That's correct. And then we've got plenty of other airplanes over here. You'll get to see the big T6 Texan World War II airplane. You're going to see Bob and his S1 pits, and then the little, we call it the microjet over there. So plenty to see. That's going to be a great show.
All right.
They're on the ready. They fully intend to grab that American flag before it hits the ground. They will make sure it is taken very good care of as he's coming into land right here at Show Center. Look at him poking it in right there, right between those wind blades. Way to go, Jesse Magana. They can hear him, or he can hear you guys. Down into the aerobatic box. Really impressive work here from Brian Carell. You know, it's really truly ironic as well that Brian's circling the jumpers, because he actually, his first airplane ride, really, the first time he ever went up, he didn't land with the airplane because it was with Skydiving State. He actually was a skydiver before he was a big-time pilot, and he was actually integral in getting this airplane that's taxiing in right now, getting it up and running for K-State. So it's pretty awesome. Let's show some love to our jump pilot as well. Brian Carell, Show Center, pointing it up to the sky. My gosh, how far can